You want to wake up in the morning, look at yourself in the mirror and say, "Hi, beautiful." And that sets the tone for your day.
I don't want to look old. I don't mind getting there, but I don't want to look old, and I will go down swinging.
The Thermage Skin Tightening and Contouring Procedure represents a breakthrough in the pursuit of a safe, non-invasive procedure for improving aging skin all over the face and body, including new treatments for common problem areas such as tummies, thighs, and arms. As you age, your skin sags as collagen stretches. With just one treatment in a doctor's office, Thermage uses unique deep heating technology that has been clinically proven to help renew your natural collagen. This incision-free procedure is fast and easy and requires little or no downtime. It is a safer, more subtle, and less expensive alternative to invasive cosmetic procedures. The result is immediately smoother, tighter, more contoured skin that improves over time with effects that are long-lasting.
There were two things that I noticed immediately following the procedure. My skin was tighter. When I went to grab my skin, there was less skin to grab, and that was good.
After my treatment, I looked in the mirror immediately, and the first thing I noticed were my eyes. I had my whole face done. My eyes, my face, and my neck. And right away I could see my eyes. I noticed the skin texture was a lot smoother, my laugh lines diminished, and this. I had a lot more definition on my jaw lines.
Instantly, there was a redefinition of my jawline right here, and that you could see right away. And then it's been 4 months now. I've continued to see it, a nice tightening of the skin. This is great.
It really felt like, and through pictures, I saw a difference that my stomach had cinched up a little bit right after the procedure. So it was one of those things that's pretty amazing. You start to notice that you can fit into your clothes a little bit better because, again, that skin is springing back.
The skin is made up of 3 layers: the visible outer layer called the epidermis, a layer called the dermis, and a deep subcutaneous or fat layer. The main structural component of the dermis is a protein called collagen, which is the key to healthier, younger-looking skin. These collagen strands are also present in the subcutaneous layer. Age, genetics, sun exposure, and other factors contribute to a gradual breakdown of collagen in all 3 skin layers, which results in visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles and skin laxity. With the touch of the sophisticated ThermaTip, radiofrequency energy is delivered to the deep layers of your skin, causing the collagen to heat, while the outer skin layer is protected by cooling. This deep heating creates an immediate contraction of the existing collagen, followed by the formation of new, tighter collagen over time. The result is visibly tighter skin with a natural-looking improvement in tone and texture. Advances in the technology provide faster treatments and better results, as well as new treatments for body contouring and temporarily improving the appearance of cellulite. Thermage is suitable for all skin types.
Prior to Thermage, I was not feeling very good about aging. I was not recognizing the person in the mirror.
When I looked in the mirror, I saw a very tired, frumpy mom. But that's not